Well, I haven't made a post for a while. Now here's an update on what I've been doing lately. I've been bringing my hay in, getting firewood. I got my 22 ton out of my 30 ton and about 6 of 8 ton cord of firewood. But I've been expanding my wood shop. I got some more rearranging to do. Went out here and I filled in my carport. I still gotta insulate the walls, put some wiring in. I need a garage door I gotta come up with. But I got an area out here that I can do all my staining and sealing, and now I want to put some clear slats in between the doorway so it'll keep the dust out of here. Got some shelves for storing some wood, and then I got my kiln in. But here's the kiln I built. I've got a stack of wood in there. I got 2 benches. I got a couple orders to make. As soon as these guys dry out a little more, I can get them together, get them put together. It gets up to about 100 degrees barely, but I need to insulate the walls, get some more blue on here, and then finish my exhaust system and a regulation system, as well as getting a dehumidifier in here. So it's turning out pretty cool. And I'm getting a lot more room in my wood shop. I'm gonna rearrange it, and I got one house to do, and then I'll start posting I'll start playing with the horses again, and then I can get in here and start finishing some projects. Looking forward to it.